How to cancel Netflix subscription. So, the first step is by opening your web browser such as Safari or Chrome. And then, type in netflix.com and make sure to sign in with your account. Once you have signed in, simply click on these three lines found on the upper left corner of the screen and click on Account right here. So click on Account and wait for it to load. Scroll down, and as you can see, you may be able to see the cancel membership option right here. Click on cancel membership and wait for it to load. Make sure to click on finish cancellation, and you may also read all of the information given to you right here. Click on finish cancellation and simply follow the steps needed, and that's it. That's how you can cancel Netflix membership.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.